Hello, I am Dusty Dave, and I am here to bring to your attention something that I need your help with. The whole Nitro Wiki needs your help. Anybody can do this, and it is something that needs to be done every day. And that thing is updating the Nitro Daily items for the shop. We log them every day on the wiki using templates for each year. Templates daily item shop /2024 for this year. Anybody can edit it if they want to. There is documentation as well on the main template page. I, if you don't understand and something, feel free to ask me about it on my message wall. In fact, I'll go to that documentation and right now. So most of this stuff you at the top of the table you won't really have to worry about. You'll mainly be worrying about this stuff here. So the first item name, the type it is, like a car or a trail or something, then an image. Titles don't have images, so you would just leave that blank. And then this little bit of code here, an abbreviation. Then you have the shop description here, and then the price. There's a money template to give you the right font. And the start date, end date. Then second item. And to repeat. And then, and when you're done, it should look something like this, except with different items and prices. Anyway, that should cover it. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the wiki.